Okay, so listing spotlight ad. This is one of that ad where you need a creative asset. You can whichever the product which you want to add it, maybe the date. That's it. You added a creative asset. वो मैंने add किया. You ran pan India. यहाँ से I have a file for you. मैंने रखी है so that every time I can't give you that कि I don't have a banner for you to show. Banner add किया. यहाँ से collections बनाना start किया. And then you collections matlab it's just about कौन से products and all. Many sell multiple brands and multiple categories as well, so यहाँ से you can just create that basic collection. And maybe you just created ABCD. You selected the brand, you selected which one subcategory which you want to need, maybe cat needs, dog needs, that I think you selected it. Price and all that doesn't need to be required. Pets, you created it. From here, you can just create that collection. You can do next. Collection is created, add it. That's it. Very similar to Product Booster. ठीक है, यहाँ से you can just add that keyword. And again, category targeting option here. This is run only on the keyword. So you can just sponsor brand banner ad, which is run with the use of banner only on the keyword, not on category targeting, not on ASIN targeting. तो वैसे भी नहीं है. So यहाँ से similarly, you just chose the keywords, nothing else. And जो भी I think you want to add cat food, you look at this and then you look at the CPMs as well, which is 2500. Dog biscuit again, which is close to 500. And as a keyword type किए, next and done. Nothing else. Listing spotlight ad is created. Boom. कुछ नहीं है इसमें. I think you just need to create, add a banner, products add किए, keywords add किए, खत्म. Amazon में placements है, फिर bidding है, dynamic bids up and down, etc. etc. So that is something simplest format. So just add the keywords, nothing else, nothing to show. अब इसमें problem क्या है इस ad में? ये sales का भी data नहीं देते हैं. So this is the problem with the listing spotlight ad. They don't give you sales data. They give you only impressions, add to cart, that's it. मैं काफी महीनों से ad नहीं चला रहा हूँ. I ran only in the month of February. But the moment I start seeing it, कि ये तो sales का data ही नहीं दे रहे. And maybe because of if you're a big brand, you can just assume that if I'm running listing spotlight ad regularly, how much it is impacting my total sales. Total sales पे इसका क्या impact है? So based on that, you can just take that call and see whether listing spotlight is actually adding you any impact to your total sales or not. No clicks, no sales, कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है. Just you can only imagine whether it's improving your impressions or not, or whether जो भी total sales बढ़ रही है वो inventory की वजह से बढ़ रही है, product booster के efforts की वजह से बढ़ रही है, pricing की वजह से बढ़ रही है. You can just you keep all the parameters same and then keep running listing spotlight ad very regularly and then actually check whether it is actually impacting to you or not. So this is it about listing spotlight ad. Banner दिखता है search page पे, बीच में एक banner, video का option नहीं आता है इसमें. There is no option of creating a video on Blinkit ads as a platform.